Today's video we are going to see Java Applet chapter number 5. In this we are going to see new topic. That topic is passing the parameters in an applet. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Delhi. Now for passing the parameters in an applet, Java or HTML, in Java we are using the param tag. Okay, param tag actually it is a HTML tag that we are using in the Java applet. Now param tag having two attributes. One is a name, another is a value. Now this name attribute specifies the name of parameter, and this value attribute specifies the value of that parameter. Okay, now let us see the example. Now here param tag, this param tag we are using inside the applet tag, opening and closing applet tag. Now param tag having two attributes, one is a name, another is a value. Now here we have given the name color and value we have given, that is a red. Okay, now here the value red will be accessed when we are accessing the parameter color. Okay, now how to access this value red? By using this parameter name color. So in Java we are accessing this value by using get parameter method of applet class. This is the get parameter method of the applet class. Now let us see the syntax. Now here return type is a string, it returns the value, and the input is a parameter name. The parameter name specifies the name which are specified in the param tag. Okay, for example, if we are writing here color, then we are getting the value of color. For example, suppose if we pass here color value in this parameter, then we are getting the value red. Now let us see the example. Now in this example, one by one, let us see this applet package is imported because we are extends applet class. AWT we are using because we have used here graphics class inside the paint method. Now here public class param demo extends applet. Now whatever the applet class, it must be public and it should extends applet class. Now here inside the applet class we have used here paint method. Now paint method, inside the paint method we have to access the parameter. Now let us see the what is the parameter. Now here we have defined the applet tag inside the comment because this is a part of HTML. It is not part of the Java, it is a part of HTML. So that we have written inside the comment here applet code. Okay, paramdemo.class. After compiling this file, we are getting the class file that we have specified here paramdemo.class. Then width of applet, height of applet is given here in terms of pixels. Now here param tag is given having two attribute name and value. Suppose name is given color and value is given suppose red. Now when we are using here get parameter method, get parameter color. So value of color, the value of color is red. This red value is written and stored into the string variable str. Now using draw string method we can display this value on the applet screen. Okay, str is the string that is to be displayed, and 100 means x position and 140 is a y position. Okay, let us see the output. Now while compiling and running this program, how to compile this program? Now program name is param demo, so java c paramdemo.java. Then we have to run the program, but we have to run the applet. So for executing the applet we are writing applet viewer name of program .java. Why we have written .java? Because this is a source file. This is a source file which contain this applet code. This applet code will be executed by using the command applet viewer paramdemo.java. When we execute this command on the command prompt, then what will happen here? We are getting this applet, and this applet having the string red will be displayed on the applet. Okay, this is the I think 100 position and this is the 140 position y pixel. Okay, here red will be displayed. Now let us see the practical execution of this program. Okay, so let us see. I already typed this program here. Now here import java dot let us see java.applet package AWT package imported here. All the things that we have discussed in the slide that are written here. Now we have to save this program using suppose. Now paramdemo.java. Now I have already saved this program inside the location. So but I have to run this program paramdemo.java. So I already executed this program. So I will delete all this class file. Why? So for execution of, again let us see. Now I am saving this program paramdemo.java. okay, paramdemo.java. Now I have saved this program using extension paramdemo.java. Now we have to compile the program. Okay, now let us go to the location where we have saved this program. Now here if you see inside the E directory PHP Java directory, we have saved this program paramdemo.java. We can save anywhere. Now this program is a Java file. Now we have to compile this program using command javac paramdemo.java. Now after compiling, class file is created. Let us see. Now let us see here, class file is created. You can see here paramdemo.class file is created. Now we have to run the program. So using applet viewer paramdemo.java. Now program is executed. If you see here, you can see here here red will be appear on the screen. Now the size of red is very short. So if you want to increase the size of this red, then we have to set the font. Now how to set the font? Let us see. Now here for the graphics there is a method set font, g.setFont. okay, now set font, we have to set the font. Now let us create the font object. Font f1 is equal to new font. Now font, this constructor having 3 parameters. First is a type of font. Suppose I am specifying the Times New Roman. Now second parameter is a font style. It may be bold or italic. I am specifying right now bold. Font bold, italic or regular, we can specify it here. Now size, I am specifying the size, suppose 40. okay, now I have set this size. Now this font object f1 I have to pass here. Now font, this class present in AWT package I already imported here, so don't need to import again. Now compile this program once again. Now compile the program. Program is compiled successfully. Now run the program. Now here red name will appear in the bigger size. Why? We have set the font. Okay. If you want to set the color, then we can set the color using set color method. G.set color. Color here, suppose color dot red. okay, so I am specifying the color dot red. Now again I am executing the program javac paramdemo.java and applet viewer paramdemo.java. Now red name will appear in the red color. Okay, so this is the for all the things from the applet passing the parameter topic. Okay, I hope that you understood all the things. Okay, if you having any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so let us stop. Thank you.